Hello? Hello?
Having fun?
Can I ask you something?
Having fun? Huh?
Can I ask you something?
Sure, why not?
Why am I on speakerphone?
Huh?
No, why am I on your speakerphone?
Who is this?
I want to know why I'm on your speakerphone and there are people laughing in the background.
Huh? Oh, this is more, YouTube recordings, huh?
May I ask your name, please?
Get the cock out your throat. Can't hear you.
No, you have me on speaker and I can hear it.
Okay, well, who is this?
And everybody's laughing in the background.
Nobody's laughing.
You may not know this, but I've had a trace on this number.
Wait, what was that?
Am I talking to a human or a machine?
Oh, I saw that YouTube video. It reminded me of you.
Who are you and why do you have this number?
Because I kept getting prank phone calls from this number. Who are you?
Who do I want to talk to? No, who do you want to talk to?
Why don't you just talk?
Our phone rang here, and when we picked it up, somebody started mouthing off to my son.
Cool story,
And I got
bro.
some loudmouth on the phone talking about drugs and alcohol and wanting to give me an AA meeting. What is going on?
Cool story, bro.
No, you have me on speaker and I can hear it.
Cool story, bro.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Who the fuck is this?
Good.
Who is
Who the
this?
fuck are you? Who are you?
What do I need you for? I've been clean for 3 months.
These things just get stupider and stupider. Nothing to say?
Hello?
What's good?
This is Pizza Hut.
Did you say welcome to Pizza Hut?
What do you say? What the
I
heck?
said was good.
Motherfucker, how old are you?
You've already played this video for me.
'Cause I'm only 17 and I could probably beat your goddamn ass.
Yeah, I bet. Nothing else to
Hello?
say?
Hello?
Hello?
Who are the immature little shits that are calling my house with this number?
I didn't call this number.
Who are the immature little shits?
What?
Who is the immature little kid that's fucking playing these goddamn recordings trying to freak us out?
Dude, you're calling me from New York? Really? I live in Aurora.
What is your problem? Why the hell do you keep calling our house?
Colorado.
Like, who the fuck do you think you are?
Want to have the cops listen to this?
I'm not calling you. No one has touched our phone this morning.
What?
You're sick of you fucking calling my house. Next time you do, I will find out where you live and teach you a fucking lesson.
Hello?
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 Who is this?
Who is this?
I said, who is this?
Huh?
Why don't you just talk?
Wait, who
Hello?
is this?
What you want? What you got to say now?
Okay, goodbye.
No thanks. I'm a lesbian. Thanks anyways.
Hello?
Hello?
Look, you're really pissing me off. You need to stop fucking calling my phone.
Do not
I
mimic
don't know who the
me.
fuck this is. I don't know who the fuck this is, but you need to fucking stop.
Oh, Clay, you're mocking me now. Oh, great minds think alike, huh?
I can't even fucking understand you. Get the cock out of your fucking throat, and then maybe I can. Otherwise, until then, you need to stop fucking calling my phone.
Can you handle this? Fuck you.